Dear chartered accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant.
Daily news and updates for 8th February 2024. Advent International, the US private equity firm behind some of the biggest leveraged buyouts and conglomerate carve-outs, including the Euro 17.2 billion acquisition of Thyssenkrupp's elevator business in 2020, along with co-investors, and the Euro 1.8 billion joint takeover of Royal Bank of Scotland's payment business Worldpay, believes India is among the world's most attractive markets where investments of up to $10 billion in the next 5 years are likely. Advent International believes that Indian valuations are not a barrier to making deals as they are relative to growth opportunities and risk returns. The firm views the premium valuations in India as a reflection of the significant growth opportunities and the relative attractiveness of the market. Last year alone, it invested $7 billion in new opportunities ranging from cybersecurity to pharma, but more importantly, realized $8.4 billion via exits, higher than their previous 5-year average of $5.7 billion. Out of 14 new car brands set to debut in the next fiscal year, 12 will be electric, aligning with the government's target of 1/3 electric vehicle sales by 2030. However, concerns over affordability and infrastructure may hinder mass adoption. Industry experts anticipate a modest volume increase, with electric vehicles comprising a larger share of the market mix. Overall, passenger vehicle sales are projected to grow 3 to 5% in financial year 2025. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has declared the results for the December 2023 CA Foundation exams. The government is contemplating eliminating the flexibility for buyers and sellers to revise their output liability by locking invoices and removing the edit option in the next financial year, as revealed by Revenue Secretary Sanjay Malhotra. This proposal, intended to be discussed at the upcoming GST Council meeting, aims to enhance compliance and address the issue of fake invoicing within the indirect tax system. While multiple banks are interested in taking over the payments business from Paytm Payments Bank, they are wary of source of funds in its nodal accounts and may insist on undertaking fresh KYC of the merchant base. Bankers are wary of fraudulent merchants getting access to their systems during the transfer.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.